guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be remaking my client here over. She is going to a 1920s party, so yeah, we're gonna glam her out. I am using her foundation, which she's using the MAC, I think it's his NW45, but don't quote me on that. As you can see, it does have like kind of a red casting undertone, but again, we do have different lights in here, so it's going to cast out different shadows, so don't worry about that, you guys. She's still going to be beat, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over her face using a beauty blender. I do actually have on fingertips. These actually are for if you hurt your fingers, but I use this when I'm doing makeup or anything as I'm applying to the face, just to keep sure that we're sanitary. We don't want any unsanitary going on here. That's not what we do, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over her face. Of course, she's looking, y'all, when y'all have clients, please remove the mirrors, because she was just doing the most with this mirror. So you guys, I did start off using an eyebrow pencil, and then I saw that the shade was just not what it was, so I am going to go back in on the other eyebrow, and I'm going to use my brow pomade. This is from Mesmerized Beauty Cosmetics. You can check that out, you guys. It will be coming soon on my website. You guys go ahead, subscribe to the mailing list so you'll be notified whenever I actually launch the products. So I'm going to apply this on her, I don't know, I think this is her left brow, and I am applying this with a flat brush. As you can see here, it is a major difference from when you're using the pencil and the dip, the dip brow and then the pencil. So I'll just let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, I am cleaning up the brows with the LA Girl concealer, you guys, and this is in the color Fun. So I'm gonna clean her brows up so she can look a little fabulous. Oh yes, and I did install her lace, you guys. I didn't do a video on that, but if you want to see a video, I can upload that. Make sure you comment down below. Now the rest of the video, you guys, I did actually lose memory, so you're not gonna see me actually, you know, applying the eyeshadow, but I did use my eyeshadow palette. I will actually insert a clip here so you can see it. Okay, you guys, so this is the palette here. As you can see, the ingredients are on the back, so you can check that out. It is you know, vegan, of course, cruelty free, you know, for my girls who like preserving of the animals. So you guys, this is the palette that I did use on her eyelids. You're gonna see in the next clip on how she looks, but as you can see, this is how the colors look, you guys, and these colors are phenomenal, very pigmented. You know, you're gonna get the quality for the bug, you know. I'm gonna show you guys here some swatches on my fingers, you guys, but yeah, I suggest, you know, try this palette out once it comes on the market, you guys. I have not yet came up with a name for it yet. I'm working on that now, so yeah, I'll just let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, back to our regular schedule programming, you guys. So I am going to contour and chisel out her cheekbones, you guys. I did go in with a darker color, and I saw that it was too dark for her skin, so I just had her take a look and see if she liked it or not. And of course, you know, it was definitely too dark. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit of makeup on the beauty builder, and I'm going to blend this out so I can go ahead and, you know, create the right contour for her face so that she looks, you know, even and complex. We don't want her to look like somebody just punched on the side of the face, girl. We just not going out like that. So I'm gonna fix it. She is going to be fixed. But y'all see that eyeshadow though? The eyeshadow is popping, okay? Popping. Now there is no look without red lipstick, you guys. We got to have the red lipstick to bring out the girls at night, okay? I am using this LA Colors matte lipstick, you guys, and it is definitely matte, okay? It's giving her what she needs to be given, and it gave what it gave when it needed to be gave, okay? She is fierce, honey, fierce. Okay, you guys, now that she is setting on her face, you know, we're gonna go ahead and start with this hair, you guys. Now, we had a image in mind for this hair, you guys, which was going to be, you know, finger waves all the way around, but we ran out of time, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, you know, curl everything and get her all right and popping, but we ran out of time, so that look at the very end is not what we was going for, but this is what we had to, you know, finalize with. So yeah, we had to work with what we had to work with. So I'll let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. If you made it all the way to the end, we definitely appreciate you guys. If you did like this video, make sure you thumbs this video up, comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a friend, honey, and stay tuned for more. I will be launching my next unboxing video, you guys, so stay tuned and check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, mwah.